everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have teamed up with an incredible brand called Sunkissed, and I have used most of their products to create this really sort of dewy, glowy, as you can see, date night makeup look. They have sent me their new range of fake tan and beauty product, makeup products and all of that good stuff. So I'm just really excited to share this look with you and to just talk to you guys about all the new products and show you how amazing they are. Like, look at my glow. Can we just look, oh my god. So yeah, I wanted to create this date night look that I would 100% wear, because who doesn't love glowy sort of glam makeup look? So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then please keep watching. Oh, and also the tan that I use, because it's really good, and I don't really use fake tan. If you've followed me for ages, I'm not the biggest fake tan user because I'm sort of naturally sort of oily and stuff, my skin, so I don't really tend to use it, but I just can't deal. Like, look, I just feel so glowy and bronzed up. I feel like I've been on holiday for like 2 weeks. I love it. So yeah, if you do want to see how to get this look and the tan that I used and how to get this glow and all that kind of stuff, then please keep watching. So I wanted to show you guys the huge delivery I got from Sunkissed. This is literally what I received in the post. I was like, what the hell is going on? But yeah, this is all the products together. It's so huge. I tried to pick it up on camera for you guys and show you, but honestly it was so heavy. I was like, this is not working out. But yeah, these are all the products. They're super glowy, so affordable, and I'm just so obsessed. So everyone, I have already used the Sunkissed Ultra Dark Mousse. As you can see, it's made me so brown and bronzy. What I was just doing to sort of get this glow was I was using the Sunkissed Insta Glow Shimmer powder, which is really cool. You literally push this button here. I don't know if you can see. Let's zoom you guys in so you can see the product. So you push this button here and then all of the powder sort of comes out at the end, as you can see, which is really cool, and it gives you such a pretty glow. You can't really see. I've got loads of makeup on my hand, by the way. They're not bruises, it's just makeup that have been left on my hand. So let's scrub you off. So what I'm going to do is literally apply this onto sort of parts of my body where I want to be contoured. Look at that glow. That is actually insane. So I want to do my collarbones, my shoulders, a bit on my chest. And then obviously we're going to use this. Look at that. It gives you such like a wet, glowy look, as if I'm using sort of like liquid shimmer. But it's not. It's just powder, and it's so easy to use. Look. I love how it's just all in one product as well. Like, it's not, you don't have to use different brushes or anything. It's just in one product. So this is definitely going to be like in my makeup bag, using all the time. Like, look how pretty that is. I'm going to get just so carried away. It just feels so glowy and just so like bronzy, and I don't know, I love it. Look at the difference between my body and my face though. Embarrassing. I'm wearing a top, by the way. You just can't really see it. So what I'm going to do is I've already done my base makeup. I do the same thing in most of my videos, hence why I haven't included it in today's video. But if you do want to see how I do it, then just check out one of my other tutorials and you'll see how I've done this base. But I literally just applied some foundation and concealer, a little bit of powder. I'm now going to bronze my face up. I'm going to use a Sunkissed Hello Sunshine matte bronzer infused with minerals. This is obviously a matte one, so I'm going to use it to bronze up my face first. And then what I like to do, I don't like to be shiny all over my face. I just want to be sort of shiny and glowy on the main sort of highlighted parts of my face, on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, where I usually do it. So that is what I'm going to do. Yeah. So in this huge kit, I also got sent some brushes. So we are going to use these today, obviously. They just look insane. I feel like when I next go on holiday, I need to take all of these makeup products on holiday. It's just insane. I can't deal. So I'm going to use this brush here, which is so soft, and sadly, I don't really want to use this because I just think they're so pretty. But this one is really good because it's sort of flat and a tiny bit, it gets pointier as you get to the top. So it's going to fit really well into the contours of my face. So as you can see, we're going to bronze it up. Look how pigmented that is. Crazy. So we're just going to bronze up normally on our face. Look how pretty that is. It just blends in really nicely. It's not patchy. Sometimes you get sort of bronzers and what they call like contour and stuff that's a bit patchy, especially as powder. Like I said, it's really buildable. Look at the difference. Look how natural that is. Like, oh my god, I love that. This is so good. Now my base is now my base is done. We are going to move on to the eyes. Yes, I do have eyelash extensions because I always do, but I'm still going to apply a little bit of falsies over the top. And for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Sunkissed Naturelle eyeshadow palette, which looks beautiful, and I think this is ideal for a date night, so just saying. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. What I'm going to do first of all, before I go on to the eyeshadow, in the kit it also comes with an eyelid primer. I'm going to prime my eyelids. So eyelid primer looks like this. So beautiful and shimmery. I'll show you the colour on my hand. It's there. Oh, the black's still on my hand. Let's scrub you off. This is just really nice and shimmery. It's just going to help with the eyeshadow to make it all stick. This would be nice as an eyeshadow alone. Oh God, that's amazing. Right. We're gonna get this angle brush from the same kit and just sort of blend that in. Oh my God, I love. That's so pretty and shimmery. And it's a primer. I'd use that on its own. Go straight in. I'm gonna use the first shade here. You guys know I always like to use a base and also to set any primers or concealers in place. I'm just gonna pop that on my lid. Shall I zoom you in a bit? I think you need to be zoomed in a little bit. There we go. So I'm gonna do this on my eyelids. I'm going to use the second to the end here, like a nice brown. Really big fluffy brush. And then just going to go straight in onto my crease. Oh God, it's pigmented. It's pigmented. Blend, blend. Good thing about these products is they're so easy to blend out. Like the bronzers and stuff. Like sometimes I'll apply a bit too much and I'm like, it's going to be patchy. It's not. It's so easy to blend. And it's so buildable, all of their products. So what I want to do is create like a glowy, bronzy look just to go with the sort of glowy theme that I'm going for, because I want sort of it all to match together. And then we're going to use that same colour on the lower lash line with just a thinner brush. Because I want to do like a bronzy sort of golden look, what I'm actually going to do is use that colour. I'm going to go back to the eyeshadow palette in a minute and open this up. I can't, need scissors. So this is their Sunkissed Glow Getter Shimmer Bronzing Powder, which looks so beautiful. Looks like this. And then I'm going to swatch. Look how pigmented that is. It's just so pretty. Is go back with the brush that I was using for the base, and I'm going to use their Perfect Fix Plus setting spray, which is a makeup setting mist, oil control. I need that. But I'm just going to use this to set this brush in place before I go on to using the bronzer. The shimmer. I'm going to use the middle shade here, which is the beautiful gold. The setting spray is literally just going to help it stick, and it's going to make it so pigmented, like so pigmented, it's a joke. So look how pretty the packaging is. This is for another product, but the packaging, I can't deal. I'm just getting way too excited. So I'm literally going to apply this over my whole lid. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how pigmented that is? Like, whoa, so pretty. So we're just going to put it on the lid and then sort of slowly blend it upwards. What I'm going to do is go back with our sort of transition colour and blend it in to your crease. This brush, and we're going to go with the middle shade here, which is like a dark ashy brown. And we're just going to pop this on the outer V and then sort of drag it into the crease. Just sort of dot it on really lightly. And then I'm going to use the second shade here, and I'm literally just going to pop this on my tear duct, brow bone, and that's it. So what I'm now going to do is pop some eyeliner on my lid and then some lashes on, and then I'll be back. So I've applied the lashes and stuff. I'm then going to do is use the Sunkissed Carnival Crush Cheek Palette. Look how cool this is. It looks like this. I'm going to go in with the top two shades, and I think I'm going to pop this also in my crease just to bronze it up a little bit. I feel like it's a bit too dark. It needs to be more bronzed, so we're just going to use this to bronze it up. As you can see, it's just warmed the tone up a little bit, made it a little bit more softer and a little bit more bronzy. For blusher, we are going to use the same kit here. We are going to, oh, I don't know what ones. This one's sort of attracting me the most. It's got a bit of a shimmer to it. So we're just going to apply this onto the cheek. Whoa, that's pigmented. Let's blend that out. It's got a slight shimmer, so when you smile, it's going to make your cheeks appear rounder and bigger and better. I love this. It's so buildable, but it just sort of freshens you up a little bit. What I'm also going to do is move on to this kit and use this brush here, because I'm going to use this for highlighter. I'm going to spray my brush with some setting spray because it makes it a lot more pigmented. And I'm going to go in with the Sunkissed Raked Perfect. Can't talk. I'm going to go in with the Sunkissed Rake to Perfection Blush and Highlight Duo. Look how pretty that is. So it looks like this. Don't know if you can see. And then this is what the colour's like. So pigmented. You probably don't even need... Am I going to focus? No, you probably don't even need the setting spray, but hey ho, we're going to do it. We're just going to go for it today. So, we're just going to go in and then, oh my god, this is so pigmented. And then sort of go in with our cheeks and go just follow where the natural sort of shine is. Oh my god, that is actually mental. Right, actually we're going to use our finger. Pop some on the bridge of our nose. This makes your nose appear smaller. Cupid's bow. Where are my lips? Oh, there they are. Found them. My lips are always hidden, and then I highlight my Cupid's bow and they're like, whoa, hello. But I'm also going to use this because I really like highlighters at the moment. So we're going to use this, what we used at the beginning. Pump, 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 pump. Loads that, oh god. And then we're sort of just going to pinch the end and just pop this on our face. Or not, I'll just go for it. I'm going to put some lip balm on because my lips need hydrated really badly. And then I'm going to apply my favourite lip liner before I move on to their amazing lip colour. Right, so I'm going to use their Sunkissed Perfect Pout Lip Colour Palette. How am I meant to open this? Oh, it's all stuck together. I'm going to mix their lip liner with the one I'm wearing. The one I'm wearing is a bit brown, but this is a bit, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a bit more pinky. I'm going to apply that over the top. Oh my god, I love. So what we're going to do is sort of make a really pretty brownie, but pinky sort of colour. So I'm going to go in with the 4th shade in, which of course is Calling My Name. Put this over my lips. Need to sort of warm it up a little bit for it to sort of come on. Oh my god, I love that. Right, so we're going to go with the 4th one and then the 1st, I think. I feel like we need a little bit of shimmer on the lips, so I'm going to apply the gold with my finger and just dab it. Oh my god, this is so nice. And then to finish the whole look, we're going to go in with their Fix Plus setting spray. So everyone, this is the final result. Look at my glow. I literally can't deal. I can't deal. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new to my channel. Hello. I want to say a huge thank you to Sunkissed for sponsoring this video and also just sending me a whole range and let me try all the products. I didn't have to use this many products in this video, but I'm just so obsessed that I got so carried away that it's just insane. Like, I can't deal. So yeah, thank you so much. It's been so amazing just to try all of your new products and I am really impressed. I love how all of them have turned out. I just can't get over my glow. I feel like I've got the glow that all the girls on Instagram have. Do you know when you see and you're like, how did they get that glow? And you're like, okay, use Sunkissed products and then you'll know. So yeah, I'm so obsessed. And yeah, if you guys want to check out Sunkissed and know more about them, then I will leave all of their information in the description box down below and I'll list all the products that I use and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you beauties in my next one. Whoa. Me and my highlighter say goodbye. See you later. Mwah.